What's going on, YouTube? It's Reckless Ghost. We are gonna go ahead and do the Mortal Kombat ending now. We're gonna try it with rain. So let's get into it.
The artist.
Hopefully this goes well.
I have been expecting you. Your life, your name, they will be wiped from history. Come, it is time to die.
Round one. Fight!
Oh god. Some bitch.
Time will not heal your wounds.
Alright. You know, it wasn't looking good, but maybe we have a shot here. Or not. What? We did it! Holy shit! First try, baby, let's go!
Kronika was dead, the hourglass taken, and Adenia's future mine to command. I had obtained all I had wanted. All except that which I had wanted most, to know the true story of my parentage. That I was a bastard I knew, born of an illicit affair between the Edenian god Argus and a mortal woman, Amara. But what I didn't know, until the hourglass showed me, was that I and my mother were both victims. She hadn't abandoned me. Thanks to my father's lies, she had thought me stillborn. I was stolen away and left to rot among peasants, while my mother died from grief.
Oh wow.
Argus hid his scandal and his shame by killing the one person who ever loved me. For that, he will die. As will his sons, Taven and Dagon. His beloved wife Delia, she I will let live. Let her heart break as my mother's did, as as she weeps over her children's corpses.
Hell yeah, Rain. Well, that was Rain's ending in Mortal Kombat 11. Mortal Kombat Ultimate, whatever you want to call it. That was dope. Big fan of Rain. I think I'll do Melina next, so we have all the new characters done. But quick video, but thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm not a YouTuber, but thank you again for watching, and stay reckless. I'm out.